Hey everyone, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another unboxing. This time it's not Greenlight, it's going to be Auto World. This is 2022 release 4. I have A and I have B. This is the final release of 2022, and as you know, it's now March of 2023, so things are a little behind. However, it doesn't lessen the impact that this release is going to have. There's some fantastic models in it, and it really is going to set the stage for the upcoming first release of 2023 for Auto World, in which they debut some really incredible castings. But that's probably not going to be until April for me. So let's enjoy what we have today. I'm going to do two unboxing videos here. So I've put the B case to the side. That'll be a separate video. You can check it out when I'm finished with this one, or when you're finished watching this one, however. And let's see what we get. I got these from 3000 Toys. They are sealed, so maybe I'll pull an ultra red, right? Ultra red here. So anyway, let's get to it. Whoa. This is how we want to start, right? This is the 1986 Dodge Conquest Tsi. This is the first this is the debut of this casting. You know what? I'm just gonna open this real quick here. This is our first release of an all new blah 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 blah. So we got the Dodge Conquest. We have the Mitsubishi Starion coming. There's an Auto World exclusive. Oh, look at these. This is nice. This is red, is the color name. Nice details on the back. This is the later model, so it has the boxed fenders, so you can see that there. There's a pop race version. That is the narrow body, so it's the earlier one. Cool. Very nice. Okay, anyway, that was unprecedented. I don't usually open things just like that. And let's keep going. So next up is the 1967 Chevelle SS 396. The 67 has the different front end, different rear end than the 66, which Auto World also makes. This is in Tuxedo black, pretty sharp here. All right, black interior as well. Classy. All right, next up is the 2010 Chevy Camaro Hurst edition. It has some substantially meaty rubbers, front and rear. They're almost drag radials, if you look at the picture there. Nice, unique paint schemes. Got the Hurst logo on the fender there. And pretty neat. So this one says it's fitted with a supercharger. So that'd be interesting to see. Pop it open, pop the hood, see what you get under there. All right, next up is the 70 Impala Custom Coupe in black cherry poly. It has the mag wheels here. It's got the vinyl roof. Nice. Two more to go. We got the 2021 Shelby GT500 carbon fiber track pack. Look at that. That's a lot of words. In Velocity Blue. Again, some substantial rubber, twin pipes out the back. The other thing I don't like about this casting is it doesn't have side view mirrors, which kind of makes it a little narrow. You know, it's like a human head without ears. And last one up. Nice return to form here with the 74 Challenger Rallye. It is in gold poly with the white vinyl top, the white interior. 74 is the last year for this body style, for the E-body, right? Cool. All right, so that's it and that's all for the final release of Auto World of 2022. This is definitely the star of the show here. The Dodge Conquest. Thanks for viewing. Stick around for release B. Peace.